When you sing our special speech song, you don't need your screens. Just use your voice and sing along and learn what it all means. We're here to teach the parts of speech, then you can teach it too. Learn this song and you can't go wrong. Let's break it down for you. A noun is a thing or a place or a name. A pronoun is different but kinda the same. They stand in for the noun instead, to stop you repeating what you said. A verb shows action like run, jump, or stare. An adverb tells you how, when, or where. When you sing our special speech song, you don't need your screens. Just use your voice and sing along and learn what it all means. An adjective describes the vibes, adds the spice, but don't be boring and say good or nice. A preposition shows the relation, in, on, under. It sets the foundation. A conjunction links up the word and connects. An interjection bursts out and projects. When you